everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm currently in Ohio and this was recorded when I was back at home. I just wanted to give you guys a room tour. My sister and I redid my room completely. You're kind of seeing it right now because it doubles as my background, but I am so excited to give you a full room tour and kind of point out what things I did, the changes I made, and show you some photos of what it was before because my goodness, it's actually crazy how much my room has changed. I am so excited to show you around just a little bit about it. So stay tuned because I think you'll want to see this major transformation. With no further ado, the product of the week is actually the earrings that I'm wearing. They look like this. They are so cute, they're dainty, they're unique pieces. I got them at the Melrose Trading Post in Los Angeles. They're incredible. I adore them. I got 5 different pairs. Go to the Melrose Trading Post if you can and you will see these. The quote of the week is that everything happens for a reason, and that leads into the story of the week. My sister's boyfriend, she met in Los Angeles at work, is from Ohio. His family is from Ohio, and I ended up at Ohio State, which I just find to be such a major coincidence. It was just meant to be. So I just wanted to share that quick story and just how much of a coincidence that is. With no further ado, let's get into the room tour. Okay, everyone, we are currently in my room. I am so excited to show you. It's gonna be a really fun room tour. First and foremost, we have my bed. Now my bed is interesting because it used to be rotated the other way so that the head of the bed was against the window over there. They could never open. I didn't have as much natural light as I do now. It was honestly the perfect idea because I honestly love the amount of space that I have here. The next major change in my room was actually my closet. My sister and I decided that we take out the sliding doors and put a curtain as a replacement. It adds so much space and it just adds character. This is what my closet looks like. We color coordinated it and made it so that it's really easy to navigate through the closet. And another major change that we made was this dresser. So this dresser used to be over there. And the reason why all those cords are out is because this dresser used to cover them. There were so many things in there. I could honestly never figure out what was what. And so I was like, well, if we clean everything thoroughly, we can literally fit the dresser that was over there in there. And that's exactly what we did. It saves so much space in my room. I cannot express how much more space I'm receiving. We got storage bins to kind of put all of my extra clothes that didn't fit in the dressers down there. And honestly, it was the most efficient way of saving space. The closet was an essential piece to how it looks, and it is an essential piece to my background when I'm filming over here. So this is literally the corner that I film. This was another major change, this mirror over here. So I really wanted a circular mirror to kind of lighten up my room. My sister and I both agreed that a mirror would bring more like natural light. It would reflect off of it. Essentially, we wanted to put it in the middle of the room, but we got it and we just thought that it looked perfect over the vanity section. I honestly love it. I love doing my makeup in it. It was so frustrating because it took us forever to get this desk. My room was complete except there was no vanity desk, and because of that we couldn't put the mirror in. So this whole section was just like blank. I had these little floofs underneath my desk, but it was too short. Actually, the chair that we have under there right now is very sentimental because it was my late grandmother's makeup chair that we found recently in her old apartment. So that's there now, and I'm so happy that I have it. It's a very unique piece, and I'm so happy that I get to use it now. Moving forward, we have the macrame above my bed. Originally, those succulents were supposed to go in here. These are the cute little succulents from my entryway. And then here is my hanging plant I have in my flower DIY. You can see it's still growing. And then over here, I have my bag holder. I decided to put my backpacks and a couple bags, and there's more bags hanging on the sides. We put little hooks in here. Because we thought that that would be a good efficient use of space. So many things around my room that are now in these storage spaces, which saves so much space. And then choosing the color. So the mint green is the entire closet. And originally this whole wall, this whole side of the room was gonna be mint green. But then I told my sister, I was like, well, I actually really like just the mint green on this accent piece, like just making the closet the accent. And she loved the idea, and so we went along with it. And then these curtain holders, they are so cute. I think they add the perfect touch. They're so much cooler than just any regular curtain holders. I also got new bed sheets. So this white comforter I got from Macy's, and these mint green accent pillowcases and covers I got on Amazon, and I got them to match the mint green of the room because I thought that wasn't too matchy and I liked the aesthetic of that. We got these mirrors as like just a little accent piece. Originally they were supposed to go in this corner of the room, so where the hats are, so when you walk in you'd see that, but we didn't like that there was a double mirror. And that brings me to this mirror. If this mirror isn't enough, which typically it is, I would go over here and check out my outfit. Over here, I have my TV area. And lastly, the things that I have on my desk specifically. I have a lot of makeup brushes in here in this little white pot. This white pot is from Amazon and it actually doubles with that one. It came in a set of 2. Here I have my Hometown Collective candle. That was my first product of the week ever. The Farah candle. And then my flowers, makeup little station over here. Over here I have some essential earrings and then my lens. The final thing that I have to point out is this fan. There was like a rocket ship on one blade and then like the earth on another blade. It was blue. White spray paint, which honestly was the perfect touch because imagine a galaxy in here. Just imagine it. My sister and I worked so hard on it throughout quarantine, so it's really nice to show you the results. Thank you so much for coming on this adventure with me, my room tour, so I will see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Bye.